Once you stick the newspaper on top of, please spray vinegar liquid. So you never seen this kind of method because of car soaking is very important. So here you are doing car soaking completely. So it is very easy to remove all the mud because in our household items, vessels, we will soak it and we will wash it. But if you go any car garage or if you are going to wash it, what will happen means soaking is very important. You will not do soaking at all. So that's why your car won't get that much clean. So I soaked car 10 minutes. Friends, not more than 10 minutes. So if you soaked more than 10 minutes means the newsletters and the news advertisements stick onto your car. Don't forget, not more than 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, what I have done means one more round vinegar I sprayed because of it may get little bit dry. So complete whole is mud, dust, if anything will come, easily it will come without single drop of water. This is the technique we are using. So after 10 minutes soak, you need to do like this. So next step you can see it what I am doing exactly.